Okay, this is video one of installing the retrofitted power supply board here for the AC-4 power supply. So I'm like a schematic reading guy and kind of like a pictures guy, so I don't really like all the verbose instructions. I will refer to these, but they're actually kind of irritating. So what I've done is, you remember the side of the supply that does the high voltage where the two capacitors were. So the high voltage is this side here where the two caps were. So you can pull this little board out and see that's where the two caps were, and that's where this board where two caps go. The low voltage board goes on, and this is the front of the supply without the power cords. The low voltage board, 250 volts, and all that goes right here. And so then you want to locate the mounting holes. Well, so this board here, it uses these two holes here. So the holes where the capacitor was, right here, those correspond to these holes on the board right here. I don't like that, but it'll go right in. So you can put spacers in there and mount it up that way. So the first thing I'm going to do with these boards is route the wires and mount them. The high voltage board has a similar situation with holes. And the only holes in this thing are the holes where that capacitor was screwed down. And it looks like you can use these two holes here. I don't like that, but hey, I guess it'll work. So that's how that'll go down. And let's see what kind of hardware we have here. There's a little bag of screws here. All right, so we have exactly how many screws here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I count 6 spacers. So I think these screws go into the existing holes, and these are for the new holes you'll drill. So now I'm going to mount stuff up and see how it looks and get back to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.